starting with my outside piece of Sylvie's sleeve. In this video, I'm using foam. Whether you're using foam or leather, just make sure you paint it first. I have cut this exactly to size with seam allowances for my sleeve, so I have to be really careful with the placement. If you're dealing with more fabric, you could place yours up higher, but I have to go right where I need to go, so I'm using the other piece to kind of line that up. Whoops, so I know that's gonna be good. With your fabric too, just make sure you've got the stretch going horizontally. And for glue, barge cement works great with fabric and foam. So that's what I'll be using. I'll be spreading this on the back, and then I'll do a quick impression to see where it's gonna go, and I'm just gonna try to spread it more evenly. So the next piece is probably the most finicky to deal with just because it's so skinny. So I've got the inside piece that I'm going to use as a jig, and I think I'm going to try to keep that in place with a magnet like that. I just always have magnets on hand. They come in handy with lasering, so if you can do something like this as well, do it. So I'm also using a low VOC barge, so I don't feel too bad about being inside in a big room. But okay, so what I'm gonna do is cover the back end and then go around the circle here, and then I can do the tail last. Moving on, next we are going to glue the back side of this on top of, in the middle of that piece. So this is the piece that I did a little earlier. I did have to kind of pry the wood off my sleeve a little bit, but it's fine. So I'm just going to transfer it to this piece because this piece has set a little longer. And I'm not going to show the glue process, but you are just going to follow the circles and spread your glue. If it gets on the outsides a little bit, that's really gonna be okay. And then here you'll do the glue in the circles. If you go to the inside of those rings, like, that's okay, so don't worry about that. And then when you do press it into place, you can use this guy because you really want to get it down in the groove, because that'll really help set us up for success with the next part. All right, once the green piece is in place, we are moving on to the last part of the process. And at this point, you can break your jig in half, just so long as both your sleeves are in the same place, because it's gonna help us have some flexibility, and we'll just work on one side at a time. And it's just gonna require glue and patience like before. So you'll glue around here. You could do a quick press down if you want to and see where the glue needs to go. Or you can, you can get a little sloppy with it because the barge is going to be flexible when you wear it, and barge is only going to stick to barge. So you just want to make sure that you've got glue in all the areas, so you can start on the outer ridge and then get more of the fabric. So I have my piece propped up on the side, and I just did the glue alongside the ridges, really getting into those little crevices, because you want that area to be really snug. Okay, ready for the jig. Place that down just very lightly, and then you're we're going to work from the outside a little bit and push it in. You might, I didn't do the tail, so you might want to just pull the tail area back a little. I am going to grab that, place that there. Okay. I'm going to hold for a little bit. I might do the magnets again and let it set.